easy actually. You can learn this thing by doing it with my daughter who is not familiar with actually tying Kikoy. So now I'm going to show my daughter how to do it. You guys can learn with her. You know, get your material, whatever you've got there, and learn it. So now I'm going to show my daughter how to do it, so you can see exactly how easy it is to do it. Okay, this side, you must pull this more to this side, and this one should just be short. The left one short, it should just come all the way here. Hold it from the end here.
From the end, right from the end, okay.
And then,
stand legs apart.
Yeah, it should be like under your armpit.
Oh,
yeah, okay. And then
under the armpit.
There. And then you bring this on this side. Make sure you press this your armpit here. Okay, now with this one, you fold this inside, small. The inside, one. And then outside,
another time,
2.
Okay.
And then inside again, 3.
Okay.
And then outside, 4 comes here to the side, like this.
Yes.
Then now hold it on under your armpit together. Don't let it get scattered. Then you get your belt.
Thin belt for this.
The thin one.
So it doesn't show.
It's better to use this kind of something like this. But when you have a belt also, a small one that doesn't show, it's all right. You must tie it. If you have this kind, you must make sure that you tuck it in so that it doesn't hang out, okay? Then you pull this down now. Make sure this is on the side here like this. The materials are different, but this is a bit hard, like it's not very obedient. Pull it all the way down.
Exactly perfect.
Pull it down, but it's about adjusting it. Yeah, it's a matter of adjusting. Let me see from the back. If you have somebody, you know, in this life we help one another. You have somebody who can help you, can see from the back.
I know the folds over here.
If it is too short, like hers is a bit short, just pull it down again.
Okay.
Pull it down.
Is it long enough from the front?
Yeah, the front is good. What is now going to beautify it is really the belt. She's also learning. She has really never done this before. Now, put this at the back like this. We are going to tie the belt. Now the left one must be shorter than the right. See? Okay? Yeah. Then, now you hold the right one over the left and then put like that, and with your right hand, push your inside and pull.
And pull this out, okay.
Pull it out. Then tighten.
Tighten, okay.
Okay? Make sure you're folding your waist nicely, you tighten. Okay? Then the left one now goes under the right one.
Yes.
And then through. Push it through. Like that.
Okay.
Then now you pull like that and tighten. And once you've done that, because now you've got the technique, all you need to do now is adjust it. Keep on adjusting, straightening it. Okay? Keep on adjusting.
So
you can always just start again, you know. If one side is too short, too long,
instruct me.
Like
I know
like
what
for
to
me
do,
now, mine I can do away with this one because it's not that the difference is not too much. But if I want it to be perfect, I have to keep trying until I get it perfect well. Right over left.
Yes. And right
Then
arm
then
under.
pull it under.
Yes.
Tighten it.
Tighten.
And then
And
left
under
right.
right and through.
Through.
Okay.
And then pull.
No, this one is too uneven.
still uneven. So now
Is this the right
you
side?
you must mark which one is
Which one is too long? It's definitely the long side which is long.
So now you that was too long. That was the one.
Oh, okay. Okay, because actually, when you think about it, this side actually loops twice.
Yeah.
You're not actually doing it equal.
No, no.
This side is actually looping twice.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense now.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I need to. Okay, so this one left, round, and up. Sorry,
Yeah.
you have to remember to.
Inside.
You have to remember to get your
Pull
hand
it
in
up.
there. Up.
Yeah.
This side is the same side looping again.
So
Goes
the
underneath and through.
Under.
That's the reason why there has to be such a big length difference.
Yeah.
Because you're actually dealing with the same side twice.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Then you pull it.
But still uneven. That means it needs to be even shorter.
You try it more.
One more time.
Until you get
Okay.
it right.
So it
See,
needs to be
it's a matter of
bit
practicing.
shorter. A bit
So
shorter.
even if you are an expert, you still sometimes can still, get it wrong. But no need to
Practice.
give up. Just keep on practicing until you get the length you want.
Yeah. So I'll try again. Left, under, hand through and up.
Yeah.
Then tighten. Left, underneath and through. Hopefully this time the lengths are round about equal.
Yeah.
When I tighten, sorry, and I don't have to adjust. Still no,
Nearly there.
nearly there. Should I go again
Go
or
one more time.
one more
You're
time?
nearly there.
Nearly there.
Yes. Keep on looking at it. The more time you see it, the better. Like that. See? I think I got it this side.
Okay, so actually you have to be significantly shorter.
Yeah.
Okay, so left, under, left over,
Left
hand
over.
hand in.
Left over. No. Right over left.
Oh yes, right over left, hand in and pull out.
Slowly. Go slow. Yeah, pull out and then
Tighten. Left,
And
under,
left, under, left, under, right, and you push inside,
pull far.
and then pull. Use some energy and pull it up.
No, it's not.
Pull it.
Look at that.
Oh, it become even longer.
Okay, that was the flop.
Yeah.
So definitely, clearly, we need a
So-
bit longer.
This one
So-
here, I'm good to go. I don't have to do it again. So now we will get this right. Over, left, pull it through, left and the right. Yeah. There. Now we are going to try again with another belt. Okay. Let this one be a little bit shorter, please. So the left must always be shorter than the right. So right over, left, and then push your hand inside and pull it out. Tighten.
Tighten.
Yeah, make
Okay.
sure it's holding your waist well, not too tight, not too loose. Then left, under, under, and then push inside. Pull. Just pull it, just pull. Yes. And now, once you got the, you see, this is the length, it's perfect. Woo! This is what we were looking for. Then all you need to do now is just like adjust so that this can look a bit flat, And this one also, this is perfect. Can you
There
see?
we go.
Guys, don't worry if it is a little bit tilted because actually it's not easy to get it completely like, straight. But you can see that it's looking beautiful. You just adjust it. Yeah, keep on adjusting it. No, that's good now. And then, turn your back. can see, beautiful, elegant. Can you see? Uh-huh.
There we go.
All done. So, get cracking. You can also learn. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Click the subscribe button
Click the
below.
subscribe button.
Give some comment.
Yep.
Give us some encouragement. And let us know if this has been helpful to you.
Yep.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye.